Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video. And in today's video, I will be guiding you how to sign out Character AI on PC. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your desktop, if you are already logged into your Character AI account, as you can see, I am logged into my account. Now, if you want to log out of your account at your home page, go to the upper right corner. There you will get your profile icon. Click on your profile icon. That will take you to your profile page. Now, under your profile name, there you will get a profile settings button. So click over there. Then you will land on your information page. Again at this dialog box. At the left hand side under account, you will get preferences. Click on preferences. And as you can see at the bottom of this dialog box under manage subscription, there is logout option. Click on there. And with that, you will be logged out of your account and you will land on the official page of Character AI. So that's how you can simply log out of your Character AI on your desktop or PC. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any other further updates from our channel. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to drop them down. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.